नमस्कार दोस्तों। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने मैथ्स 2 के सिमिलैरिटी लेसन की शुरुआत की थी, जिनमें हमने ट्रायंगल के बेस और हाइट को आइडेंटिफाई करना सीखा था। साथ ही साथ हमने कुछ कंडीशंस देखे थे टू फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, करेक्ट। और आज हम सिमिलैरिटी लेसन की पहली एक्सरसाइज की शुरुआत करेंगे। ओके, तो शुरुआत करते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन की। प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.1। Base of a triangle is 9 and the height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and the height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of a triangle. So here we have to find the ratio of areas, correct? So first here two triangles are there having the different base and the different height. Clear? ये क्वेश्चन में दो ट्रायंगल दिए हैं और दोनों के हाइट एंड बेस अलग अलग है। तो हमने पहले वीडियो में देखा था, क्या सीखा था कि किसी भी ट्रायंगल के अगर हाइट एंड बेस दोनों डिफरेंट है तो उनका रेशियो ऑफ एरियाज इज डिपेंड अपॉन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ देयर हाइट एंड बेस, करेक्ट। सो बाय दैट प्रॉपर्टी हाउ वी कैन राइट? सो फर्स्ट हियर B1 is equal to 9, H1 is equal to 5. First write the given thing. So here base B1 is 9 and B means base. B2 is equal to 10, H2 is equal to 6. It's a one marks question, so there is no need to write too much. Let A be the area. If you write then it's okay, but that much is not required because it's a one marks question. So A1 upon A2 is B1 into B2 H1 upon B2 into H2. Why we are applying this property? Write the reason. So areas are proportional to product of their base and heights, correct? Now substitute the value over here. B1 how much? 9, 5, 10 and 6, correct? Now here some value will get cancelled. It's visible, na? Okay, I will write over here. So after cancellation, three threes are 9, 3 twos are 6, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now what will be the remaining number? So here I am writing over here A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 upon 2 into 2, that is 3 upon 4. So therefore your final answer A is to 2 is equal to 3 is to 4. So your final answer will be 3 is to 4. So ratio of areas of these two triangles is 3 is to 4. Always write your final answer. Okay, clear? So चलो देखते हैं दूसरा क्वेश्चन क्या है। इन अ फिगर, इन दिस फिगर BC is perpendicular to AB, AD is perpendicular to AD, BC is equal to 4, AD is equal to 8. Then find the ratio of areas of a triangle ABC and a triangle ADP. So first दिया क्या है वो हम लोग देखेंगे। इन द फिगर BC परपेंडिकुलर है AB पर, तो ये BC मेरा क्या हो गया? हाइट, जिसका लेंथ कितना दिया है? 4, और AB क्या हो गया? बेस। सो ये क्या हो गया? बेस। एंड दूसरा ट्रायंगल ADB, AD मेरा क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर है AB पर। सो AD मेरा क्या हो गया? हाइट, और जिसकी हाइट क्या है? 8, एंड AB be the base. So here we can say that In both the triangle ABC and ADB base are same. तो हमने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा हुआ है, in a two triangles base are equal or common, then the ratio of areas of such triangles is depend upon their height. Is that clear? So write it over here. What are the given thing? BC is perpendicular to AB, correct? AD is perpendicular to AB, BC is 4 and AD is 8. This is a given thing, it's already given in the question. Next, here triangle ABC and triangle ADB, correct, having common base, that is AB. Is that clear? In both the triangles AB is a common base. Now we know that if in a triangle base are common, then the area ratio of areas is depend upon their height. So definitely what will get, area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle ADB is depend upon what? Their height. So BC upon AD. Now what will be the value of BC? Is 4 upon 8. So here term will get cancelled. This one you will get 1 and here 2. So therefore your final answer, area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle ADB is visible, na? Is 1 upon 2. So that this one will be your answer. So here one more thing, very important thing, always write the reason why we are applying that property. So here what reason we will write? कौन सा रीजन लिखेंगे? Areas are proportional to their heights. So always write the reason. Clear? Write on. Okay? ओके, चलते हैं तीसरे क्वेश्चन की तरफ। तीसरा क्वेश्चन, इन अ फिगर PS is perpendicular to RQ. This PS is perpendicular to RQ. QT is perpendicular to PR. QT is perpendicular to PR. RQ is equal to 6. ओके, जो लेंथ दिया है वो लेंथ लिखते हैं। यहाँ पे कितना है? RQ 6, यहां से यहां तक का लेंथ, करेक्ट। PS इज इक्वल टू 6, यहां से यहां तक का लेंथ 6 एंड द लेंथ PR is 12. Find the QT. So first try to understand the figure. फिगर समझो पहले। ट्रायंगल PQR, ट्रायंगल एक ही है, करेक्ट, बस इसका हाइट ये है, बेस ये, करेक्ट। सो व्हाट विल बी द एरिया? सो इन अ ट्रायंगल PQR, PS is perpendicular to RQ. If I consider triangle PQR, that obtuse angle triangle, okay, PS is perpendicular to QR, so PS become my height and RQ become base. So area of a triangle PQR, area of a triangle PQR is equal to what? 1/2 base means RQ into height, that is PS. Correct? So substitute the value 1 by 2, RQ is 6, PS is 6, this one and this one cancel, you are getting 3. So 3 into 6, that is 18. Here unit is not mentioned, so you can write square unit. That is area of a triangle PQR. And give that number 1. Is that clear? I repeat, in a triangle PQR, PS is the perpendicular and RQ is the base. So directly we will apply area of a triangle PQR is 1 by 2 base into height. Substitute the value, calculate, we will get the total area of a triangle PQR is equal to 18. Clear? Next. Now if I will take a same triangle in a different way. So in a triangle, PQR, if I consider this one as a height, that is QT is perpendicular to PR. So definitely my height will be changed, base will be changed, but the triangle will be same. So here area of a triangle PQR, if I apply the same formula 1 by 2, base is PR and the height is QT. Okay, now substitute the value 1 by 2, PR is 12, QT we don't know, but we know the area of a triangle, we had already calculated over here. The unit of area of a triangle PQR is 18 from 1. Done. Now simplify. We can cancel over here. 2 1 are 2, 6. Now 6 will come this other side, is become, this comes in divide, 18 divided by 6, that is QT. So therefore QT is equal to 3. So therefore your answer is QT is equal to 3 unit. This one is your answer. Clear? Okay, तो देखते हैं फोर्थ क्वेश्चन क्या है. In a figure, AP is perpendicular to BC. AP is perpendicular to BC, and AD is parallel to BC. Find the ratio of areas of a triangle ABC and BCD. First, तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के पहले सिलेक्ट कर लो कौन से दो ट्रायंगल हमारे पास है, कौन से दो ट्रायंगल का रेशियो फाइंड करना है. ओके, सो हियर ABC, this one is first angle and BCD is the second triangle. So if you see in these two triangles, BC is a common, correct na? So BC is what? Is nothing but is the base of both the triangle. तो यहाँ पे एक कंडीशन हमें मिल गई, मतलब एक चीज क्लियर हो गई कि दोनों ट्राइंगल में बेस मेरा कॉमन है. सो जो चीज दिख गई उसको पहले नोट कर लो. करेक्ट. सो इन फिगर triangle ABC and triangle BCD having common base, that is BC. ये क्लियर? सो पहला फिगर में क्या लिखा? ट्राइंगल ABC and triangle BCD having the common base, that is BC. सेकेंड, यहाँ बेस का क्लियर हो गया. अब हाइट को देखते हैं. सो हियर और क्या दिया? इन अ फिगर AD is parallel to BC, क्या लिया? एंड AD is parallel to BC. So as we know that the distance between, as we know that the distance between two parallel lines. I'm writing in the shortcut. Okay, I will write it. Parallel lines are always equal. Okay, so as we know that the distance between two parallel lines are always equal, so definitely AP is what? AB is the distance between this AD and BC. So this distance become what? It's the height of both the triangle. Clear? So यहाँ पे एक और चीज क्लियर हो गई कि दोनों ट्रायंगल की हाइट भी सेम है. Okay? And here also we can write, if you want, AP is perpendicular to BC. So the distance between the two parallel lines are always equal. Correct? So we can say that in a triangle ABC and triangle BCD having, no, statement is not proper. So triangle ABC and triangle BCD having common height, that is AP. See, writing method may be different, but your concept should be same. Okay? अभी अलग अलग बच्चे अलग अलग मेथड से लिखेंगे, लिखने का तरीका अलग अलग हो सकता है, लेकिन तुम्हारा आंसर लिखना एक ही आएगा. ओके, इतना ध्यान में रखना. सो यहाँ पे क्या क्या दिया था, मैं एकदम इजी वे में लिख रहा हूँ. क्या दिया था पहले, वो इन अ ट्रायंगल, पहले आइडेंटिफाई किया, बेस मेरा सेम है, पहला हो गया. दूसरा, दोनों पैरेलल लाइन दिया है जिनके बीच का डिस्टेंस हमेशा इक्वल रहता है, और ये डिस्टेंस यहाँ पे क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, हाइट. तो मेरा हाइट भी सेम हो गया. सो हमने प्रॉपर्टी देखी थी, फोर्थ कंडीशन देखा था. क्या कंडीशन थी, किसी भी ट्रायंगल में अगर हाइट एंड बेस दोनों सेम होंगे तो दोनों का एरिया क्या होता है, इक्वल होता है. सो डेफिनेटली इफ एरियाज आर इक्वल देन द रेशियो इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, 1. करेक्ट? सो राइटिंग योर फाइनल आंसर. So therefore, area of a triangle ABC upon area of a triangle, or height are same, so therefore is equal to area of a triangle BCD. Clear? Why? What will be the reason? Triangles having equal base and heights. Correct? So if the two triangles having equal base and height, then areas are equal. So here we have to write answer in the ratio. So therefore area of a triangle ABC is to area of a triangle, or we can write upon area of a triangle BCD is visible, is equal to 1. So that will be answer. Clear? Okay. Okay, तो चलते हैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन. ये एक्सरसाइज का लास्ट क्वेश्चन. In a figure, PQ is perpendicular to BC, AD is perpendicular to BC. To then find the ratio, find the following ratio. इससे इजी वन. एक फिगर दिया हुआ है, पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है इसके अंदर, फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ एरिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल ABC, सॉरी PQB अपॉन एरिया ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल PBC. तो इसमें ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना है, जस्ट दो ट्रायंगल दिए हैं, उनके हाइट एंड बेस को आइडेंटिफाई करो. अगर बेस कॉमन है तो क्या रेशियो होगा, हाइट का कॉमन है तो क्या रेशियो होगा. ओके, सो पहला ट्रायंगल क्या बोला है, PQB. सो PQB एंड सेकंड ट्रायंगल इज PBC. तो इन दिस टू ट्रायंगल्स PQ इज अ कॉमन. करेक्ट। तो रेशियो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा? बेस के ऊपर। सो डायरेक्टली आंसर क्या आएगा? BQ अपॉन BC and reason is areas are proportional to their base. Correct? That will be first answer. Similarly, you can continue the remaining 3 questions. Okay? So just in this question, just find the height and base, and according to their height and base, write the ratio of the remaining 3 questions. That will be your homework. And always when you solve this question, write the reason over there. Clear? So here first exercise is over. Thank you.